and I want the curve of the tool, this is like a ball tool, and I want the curve of it against the edge of the gum paste, like so. And see that little ridge that you leave there? That means my gum paste is a little thick. No big deal. I actually kind of want it thick because this is a big petal, although that's probably a little excessive. So we soften the edges to get rid of that. Just kind of rub against it. Let's see. It'll remove it. This is the back of it. They're not going to see it anyway. Just rub against it. See? Gets rid of it. When I vein it, it'll disappear. Okay, so I thin the edges. Get that nice little, come here. And this is a little bit bigger than my veiner, but that's okay. This is where a two-sided silicone veiner really comes in handy, putting these guys on. A little bit of water. Just a teeny little bit right down that ridge. Whoops. Just move that. There we go. Little water. So I can attach it. Okay. And then, must have missed a little spot. And then press. Keep it on the veiner. It fell off to the side, but that's okay. It's all right. And it really presses. And a silicone veiner will actually almost disappear. Okay, and you can see the nice veins there. See the veins? That's what makes it. Okay, and then again, we're going to vein down the center. Just going to move that. Right down the center. Going to kind of press down here to cup that. Cups this base here. Okay. I got to fold. That's okay. I'll ignore that for right now. Okay, and there we go. Now these guys, these little extra guys here that are on the edge of my petal, they actually kind of do what you're not supposed to do. When it dries, I can actually run my thumb on them and get them to come off, but I also use my nail file to get them off that way too, just a nail file against the edge. Okay, so here's the foil. And what I want is I want to bend it this way so they kind of bend back a little bit, but I want to keep it cupped like this. So just play with your foil. I don't have a former that does this, that will cup it, but that will let it bend back. I don't have one, so that's why I use the foil. Okay, just like that. Just lay it down. I'm just laying it aside. And here I have a whole bunch of them done up. Magic. There's a whole bunch of them here.
And a quick question.
Sure.
Now, do you consider these thin or thick?
These are, well, the little ones are actually, they're pretty thin. For a normal gum paste flower, this would be thick. I mean, normal gum paste flowers are paper thin. Okay. These are a thicker flower. It's a thicker, the bracts are like leaves. They're thick like leaves. So I would consider this thick.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so here we are with all of them made up. Now, when you do the green bracts, they're exactly the same, and they're always, this big one, although not always. If you're doing ones that are turning, sometimes the green ones, they do. The green ones turn red. That's what happens in the hothouse, where I don't see it, or in my house. They turn red, and so you can do green and dust it red, which we can do. But they're done exactly the same way. Just make it green instead of red.